Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're unboxing the Aputure F7 LED light. It's got a pretty wide color temperature rating we can switch from, 3200 to 9500K. Should help you out with all your needs as far as matching color temperature wherever you're shooting at. So let's dig in and check out what's in the box. Alright, so got our knife here. Gonna open up Aputure F7, see what's in the box. Comes in this nice carrying case. The actual light. Battery pack hooks in. Got a couple of the Sony battery packs that hook into that too, so check that out. It's got a nice LED screen back here to tell you your white balance and everything. So, and battery, lock, unlock, it's pretty sweet. Power cable. Came with this really nice swivel mount. That's pretty sweet. Could have used that when I was shooting the last stuff. Pretty simple, but pretty nice, especially for getting whatever you're trying to get on your videos. You can place the LED panel wherever you want. Bunch of junk. That's for. This is for front. Clips in. It's just a little diffuser panel that goes in there. So, all right, let's pop this on the stand and see what it looks like with this on instead of the crappy little lume cube I was trying to use to light the last shot. Alright, so we've got the new light set up. We've got the Aputure F7 over here to my left. You can kind of see it's creating this nice shadow effect over here. I set the Kelvin white balance to the same as what's on the panel. I do have an overhead light on as well. Let me try and flip that off and see if it makes any kind of a difference real quick. Alright, so as you can see, there's a pretty good shadow over here on the side of my face. I matched the Kelvin setting on the light for the panel for the Aputure F7 to the same setting on my camera. Looks pretty sweet as far as I can tell from the reference monitor that I'm seeing right now. Once I get into post, I'll be able to tell better, but I'm pretty sure it'll look pretty nice in post. All the other settings are very similar to what I was using before. Same shutter speed, aperture's at f2.8. ISO right now is at 640 on this, which I have the white balance set different temperature than what the lume cube was set at. So I have a feeling if I would have, made this light a little warmer probably, then I could probably bump the ISO down even a little more to like 400 range probably, but it wouldn't give me the look that I think looks more natural, which in this setting, this 7000K looks really natural as far as I can tell. So I'm gonna test this panel out. It's upcoming Friday. One of my buddies has a 30th anniversary party they're throwing for their parents. So we're testing it out. I'll get back to you with a little review later on. Probably have a couple of other things I'll try out with this panel, just to see how it works for both video and photo. So thanks for watching. You guys can like, share, subscribe if you like. I have more videos coming up soon. Catch you later. Peace.